everyone, welcome back to our class. So this is our English class and I am your teacher. For those who doesn't know me yet and for those who forgot my name. So I am your teacher, Crizel. Teacher Crizel, can you repeat after me? Teacher Crizel. Very good. Good job. Okay, please remember my name, Crizel. Okay, so for today's lesson, I want to teach you some farm animals. Do you know what is a farm? Okay, so this is a farm. Yes, and the one who takes care of this farm is a farmer. Do you know what is a farmer? That is a farmer. Okay, so today we will discuss about the different kinds of animal farm. Means the animals that we can see in the farm. Okay, so we have here several animals and let's start with cow. That is a cow. Cow. The sound of the cow is moo. This in English version, right? Moo. Cow. Cow. Cow has a color black and white. Okay. Cow. Very good. And we have the next one. Sheep. Sheep. Okay, not sheep. It's sheep. Long E. Sheep. Ba. Ba. Okay. Next one is goat. This is a goat. Goat. We can also see goat in the farm. Goat, and it sounds like meh, meh. The goat eat the grasses. Yes, just like the sheep. Okay. Next one is duck. Very common. Yes, I know all of you know this one. This is a duck. Quack, quack. Duck. Okay, very good. You follow after me, okay? Next one is chicken. Chicken. Yes, chicken. Plok, 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 plok. Chicken. Okay, so do you like chicken? Me, I like to eat chicken. Okay. The next one is pig. Pig. Oink, oink. Pig. This is pig. Okay. So the next one is horse. Ah! Horse. Yes. We don't have any sound effects, so I will just make it my own. Horse. Ah! Yes, this is also a farm animal. Horse. Okay, another one is chick. Chick. Chick is a baby chicken, so we call it chick. Chick. I don't know what's the sound of chick. Do you know what's the sound of chick? Can you do it for me? Very good. Chick. Okay, I don't know what's the sound of chick. Chick. But we call this chick. Yeah. The name of that is chick. If it's baby, you say chick. Chicks. If it's a lot. But if it's already big, you say chicken. Yes. Okay, the next one is mouse. You remember? Do you know the song? The country mouse and the city mouse? Okay, I don't know. I forgot that, but there's a song like that. Mouse. Okay, so mouse. It's the country mouse, probably the one living in the farm. Mouse. Very good. Okay, and the last one is donkey. It looks like a horse, but this is smaller. Donkey. Donkey. And I don't know how this donkey sound. Do you know how this donkey sound? Okay, donkey. Okay, so this is a donkey. I hope you learned something from our class today. Thank you so much for listening and see you again next time.